Georgia. Alright, where are we?
So we are at the Wizarding World of Harry Potter in Universal, and I'm about to enter the Weaslys.
I'll be going on in line check.
So I got some stuff here. I don't know how you open it. How do you open it?
I don't think you could go in there. You gotta go through the main entrance. Gotta find the main
Here's the
entrance.
door.
There we go, in the door.
We're gonna need to come back here later to buy some stuff.
No, Naomi, here, why don't you take
So,
Naomi, don't have to record the whole thing.
so we are at the Weaslys with wheezes. So there's extendable ears here, which I think actually work. And here is the wizard box. And then I don't know what this is. I can't really read it. And then it's got tiny, and I got that cute girl. And then here,
Naomi, you don't want to tell you everything because you only have so much better.
and it's a robot, tiny. And then this is just for like picture box.
No, this one doesn't make sense.
And then here's love potion. And here's the giant pygmy cup. If you really like them for giant stuff in it.
Maybe we could come back this way.
And then the nose fighting teeth.
Hold on, why do we wait for that?
And then this guiding snack box. So,
I don't know, they're just...
and then these are the posters.
You know you can zoom
This
into
is
them
what
that
he's
way.
a place. He wants one of
Oh.
these. He wants that.
And then we have some more stuff over here. And here. So I think these might be the skiving snack boxes still. And then we got a rope. And then we got the foam finger and the jester.
See, you can zoom. You know how to zoom.